Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Smartsheet account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you manually add one contact into your Smartsheet account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add one of your contacts or customers into Smartsheet anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, sharing your Smartsheets with various customers, instead of manually adding them every time, you can add them as a contact so you can quickly add them next sheet. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Smartsheet account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Smartsheet, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to manually add one contact, here on the left side, you're going to click on this little person icon here at the bottom. All right, once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here on My Smartsheet Contacts. Now, just so you know, if you're adding an admin or a team member that's going to help you manage your sheets, you want to use this one, User Management. But if you are adding a client to various sheets each time, you want to use this one right here, My Smartsheet Contacts. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see these three options at the top. So import contacts, this is going to be if you're importing a list of your customers or your colleagues. For today, we're just going to add one by one. So we're going to click on this blue add button. Once you do that, you can go ahead and enter in their name and their email address. So make sure you use the correct email address, because each time you add them into one of your sheets, this is how they're going to be notified. So let me go ahead and enter this in. Okay, once you have added the contact manually, click on OK. Okay, next you can see they're going to show up right here. So next time I'm putting together a sheet and I want to invite them, I don't need to manually add them in each time. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to manually add one contact into your Smartsheet account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.